Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is iris flower classification. We have created this web application using Streamlit, which is used to classify the types of flower. So there are some parameters which takes the input from the user and is used to predict the different types of classification of flower. So here is sepal length and petal length, which is the length of a flower and the outside covering of the flower. So we will enter some value and predict the type of flower. So for example, we will enter sepal length equals to 15 and sepal width equals to 5. Then petal length we will enter 10 and petal width we will enter 4. Now we will click on predict iris flower classification button, and you can see that the flower species is Virginica. So this is the output of this model. You can also check the source file by clicking on this file option. Here you can see app.py, requirement.txt files, and the pickle file which is used to make this product. And you can check the source code by clicking on this app.py file. Here you can see all the source code which is used to create this UI on Streamlit. So who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.